offering. This is my song, praising my Savior, Lord and Lord.
Toil as much as you can to be a servant of God. Toil as much as you can. Pray as much as you can to be a friend of God. Because I tell you solemnly that when that day comes for all of us, the Lord will never forget His friend, will never forget His servant. Cedric was baptized. Cedric received the sacraments of the church, married in the church, and today we offer him to the Lord.
And on Friday, that's when we are going to have the Requiem Mass. It is going to take place at Rubaga Cathedral, and then after that we shall go to Kamengo. And when I say Kamengo, that's where we originate from. And then we shall be able to bury on Saturday.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.